Hey there, fellow history buffs. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of dinosaur incubation, specifically focusing on the oviraptors and their unique nesting habits. Now, you might be wondering, why is this so intriguing? Well, let's take a step back and think about it. We've always known that dinosaurs laid eggs, but how did they ensure their offspring survived? The answer lies in the intricate details of their nesting behavior, and it's absolutely mind-blowing. So, buckle up as we explore the science behind these ancient creatures and uncover the secrets of their egg-laying success. First things first, let's talk about the oviraptors. These dinosaurs, which lived between 70 and 66 million years ago, had a pretty cool nesting setup. They arranged their eggs in rings within semi-open nests, a design unlike anything we see today. Now, you might be thinking, why is this important? Well, it turns out that this arrangement directly affects heat distribution, which is crucial for the egg's development. As Chun-Yu Su explains, reconstructing oviraptor incubation realistically is a challenge due to the lack of modern equivalents. So, they had to get creative and invent resin eggs to approximate the real deal as best as possible. Now, here's where things get really interesting. The experiments revealed clear temperature differences between eggs. In colder conditions, the gap between eggs in the outer ring reached up to 6 degrees Celsius, while in warmer environments, that difference dropped to about 0.6 degrees Celsius. But what does this mean for the egg's development? Well, it turns out that the position of the adult relative to the eggs influenced how heat was shared. Some eggs received more warmth than others, which likely led to asynchronous hatching within the same nest. Now, you might be thinking, why is this significant? Well, it turns out that this method of incubation, combining body heat with environmental warmth, is different from modern birds, which rely on direct contact incubation. So, what does this tell us about the oviraptor's place in the evolutionary tree? Well, the study suggests that they fall somewhere in between reptiles and birds when it comes to incubation. It's not just about the temperature, it's also about the environment. As Dr. Tsurui Yang explains, modern birds aren't better at hatching eggs, it's just a different approach. It all depends on the environment, and the oviraptors had their own unique way of doing things. Now, you might be thinking, what does this mean for our understanding of dinosaur biology? Well, it turns out that this study highlights the importance of considering environmental factors in our understanding of dinosaur behavior. It's not just about the dinosaurs themselves, it's also about the world they inhabited. In conclusion, the oviraptor's nesting behavior is a fascinating insight into the lives of these ancient creatures. It's a reminder that even the smallest details can have a significant impact on the development of their offspring. So, the next time you think about dinosaurs, remember that their incubation methods were just as unique and fascinating as their physical characteristics. And who knows, maybe we can learn something new about our own evolutionary history by studying these incredible creatures. Thanks for joining me on this journey through time, and I hope you found this exploration of dinosaur incubation as captivating as I did.